Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the pound yen monthly, I am definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. I think we are very likely right now in a wave 4. And once the wave 4 is over, I think we'll go up for wave 5. This is the monthly, so it's going to take a long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I think this is an A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. I also think there's a very, very good chance after that it will go down for a wave C of wave 4, probably to at least the 50, maybe the 178.29 area before it goes up and makes another attempt to the uptrend for that wave 5. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I do think that the wave A ends right here, like I showed on the higher time frames. I think this is an A of B, 3 waves for a B of B, and I still think the trend is up. I still think it's going to go up to the 138, 123 to finish off a wave C of wave B before it actually does end up going down and making a bigger push down for that wave C, like I showed on the weekly, monthly time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my structure level on the 4 hour is still right here, which means I'm only looking for longs unless it breaks that structure. If this push up goes up and makes a new high, then I'll move my structure level to here, and that will be my new invalidation point, which means if it goes down and breaks that, I'll stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts. As of right now, because the trend is up, I am 100% doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see, ever since we had a break of structure to the upside several weeks ago. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of a slow market for sure, but we did have a nice break of structure, and ever since that break of structure, you definitely could have been looking for logs, and there definitely has been a few log opportunities. To me, it honestly does kind of look like it could be a wave A and a wave B, and it looks like it could go down for a wave C before it really does continue the uptrend, but most other yen pairs don't really look like that, so even though it does kind of look like that, I think that it might even be more likely that it just keeps on going up. Whatever it decides to do, I don't really care. If it goes down and makes a wave C, then fine, I'll go long at the end of a wave C. If it doesn't go down and make a wave C, then I'll just continue to go long at the end of every single pullback I see, like I've been doing for the last several weeks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.